Every morning, Ravi woke up at 5 a.m., tied his worn-out shoes, and went for a run through the quiet streets of his small town. He wasn't an athlete or a professional runner, he was just a delivery boy. Ravi worked long hours, delivering parcels across the city. His job was tough: long walks, heavy bags, scorching heat, and constant deadlines. Sometimes people shouted at him for being late, sometimes they didn't even thank him. But every morning, he still ran. When people asked why, he'd smile and say, "To remind myself that I can still move forward." One afternoon, after a long day of deliveries, Ravi sat on a bench, completely exhausted. His feet ached, his stomach growled, and his phone showed only 42 rupee left in his bank account. He thought of quitting. "What's the point?" he murmured. "I work so hard, but nothing changes." Just then, an old man selling tea nearby said gently, "Tired, son?" Ravi nodded. The man smiled. "When I was your age, I sold tea from a wooden cart. No money, no customers. Some days I thought of giving up. But every time I felt that way, I told myself, just one more day, one more step. Now, look." He pointed proudly to his small but busy tea stall. Ravi listened silently, the words sinking deep. The next morning, Ravi tied his shoes again. His legs hurt, but he ran anyway, one slow step after another. Each day, he repeated the same thought. Just one more step. Don't stop. He began saving a little from each delivery, 20 rupee here, 50 rupees there. In 6 months, he saved enough to buy a small used bicycle. Deliveries got faster, and his income doubled. Soon, he started helping other delivery boys by teaching them shortcuts and better time management. His manager noticed and made him a supervisor. 3 years later, Ravi opened his own courier center, small but honest work that he built from nothing. The old tea seller was his first customer. One day, a new delivery boy came to Ravi, tired and frustrated. "Sir, this is too hard. I feel like quitting." Ravi smiled and handed him a cup of tea. "When you want to stop, just take one more step. That's how everything changes." The boy looked at him curiously. "Did it work for you, sir?" Ravi nodded, eyes shining. "It didn't just work, it built my life." Sunrise moral of the story. In life, success doesn't come in giant leaps, it comes in small, consistent steps. When you feel like giving up, take one more step. Because sometimes, that one step is the difference between failure and victory.